Hello, I'm Jason from the Deeper Network, and I'd like to talk to you today a little bit about the differences between ExpressVPN and the DPN. First is the obvious. ExpressVPN is centralized. That means that they have servers hosted around the world, around 105 countries, that the entire user base of ExpressVPN will tunnel their traffic to. The Deeper Network is incredibly different. It is a decentralized network, hosted in over 150 countries with over 100,000 users online right now, which means you have 100,000 choices to tunnel your traffic to make sure that it is private, encrypted, and protected. ExpressVPN is a paid subscription, which means monthly you'll be deducted to use their service. The Deeper Network, once again, is incredibly different. If you purchase a Deeper Connect device, you have the DPN for free for life. ExpressVPN has something called split tunneling, where you can have some things accessing the VPN and some things not. Deeper Network has something so much more powerful. It's called Smart Route, and you pair that with App Relocator. You can set over 16 pages, over 80 different services to tunnel to any country that you want. It's much more effective and it's much more customizable. Plus, in Smart Route, you have something called Domain Config, where you can add any website, any service to talk to any country that you want. It's incredibly powerful. ExpressVPN will solve the problem of privacy and protection, but it comes at a cost. Literally in the subscription fee, but also in the single point of failure that those servers provide. If any of those servers goes down in any of the 105 countries, you might not be able to tunnel your traffic to those countries. If any of the server IP addresses gets flagged, you might not be able to stream your favorite media from those countries. The Deeper Network solves the problem of privacy and protection, but it has over 100,000 nodes of points of failure. 100,000 users online sharing their internet, making sure that you have access to your favorite media, that you will not be shut down, that your IP addresses will not get flagged, that you can tunnel your traffic anywhere in the world, over 150 countries. With ExpressVPN, you can use the service on your phone and tablets and router and PC as long as you continue to pay the subscription fee. With the Deeper Network, you purchase one device. You cover your entire network. And we also have crypto incentives so that you can earn while you're helping out the Deeper Network. We hope you found these videos helpful and informative. Continue watching the playlists to learn everything there is to know about your Deeper Connect and the Deeper Network.
Deeper Network, of the users, by the users, for the users.